Hi, this is Everett from Everett's Watercolors. Welcome to my brand new studio. Now, I broadcast every Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube and Facebook and LinkedIn, and I go over watercolor techniques. But now I'm introducing another program on Thursdays at 7:30 p.m., and it'll be about a 20-minute show, and I call it Simply Drawing with Everett. And I think you'll find it very interesting. I'm going to pick some basic, simple subjects and show you how I draw them, and you'll pick up some techniques and help you in your drawing endeavors. This is designed for beginners, those who have never drawn before or haven't drawn that much, and also for experienced artists who need a little refresher course and maybe learn some more techniques. This is one of my favorite subjects. I love to draw just about every day. So let me go to my close-up camera, and I'll show you some material you'll at least need to get started with. I have a drawing pad, or you have a piece of paper is all you need, but I have a drawing. I'm using a visual journal. It's 5 by 8 inches in size, but I like it because it's spiral bound. It opens up and lays flat, and it's very easy and convenient to use. It's also used for mixed media, which I can add watercolor to it. I can add color pencils or watercolor pencils. So it's a nice material to use, and but something like that, you want to document the drawings and be able to go back and look at them later on to see what your improvements are. Also, along with the drawing material, we'll start out with pencils, the graphite pencils. This is a standard HB. Then I have a 2B and a 4B, which are a little bit darker lead for shading and adding a little bit of darkness to the painting. And then a little blender here, a stump, in order to blend the pencil, give a little bit of shading. Also, a synthetic eraser who helps erase the marks and may make some changes to the drawing. And then here I got a portable sharpener to keep the lead nice and sharp for drawing. So those are all the basic materials you need to get started. Swim me on Thursdays at 2 o'clock p.m. for Everest Watercolors, and then do a follow-up at 7:30 for Simply Drawing with Everett. I think you'd enjoy those. I'm trying to make them a nice, relaxing time in order to forget about the troubles of the day and to take your mind off things. So I'm looking forward to a group that will be given a creative relaxation and generate some energy. So we'll see you on Thursday at 2 and or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.